Is it kitchen? Is that kitchen?
Kitchen.
Kitchen. Look, he's got a refrigerator. It's in here.
You gotta take the paper off, buddy.
I know, let's take the paper off. Hurry up. Let's take it off. Ready? Look. Oh, here you go. Dylan, look. Dylan, looky. Look at it. Look at it. Look. Look. This is yours. You got a kitchen. Wow. Look, it's got a phone. It's a kitchen. This is Dylan's kitchen.
Mama?
You like it? It's from Gigi and Grandpa. Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good job. Look, there's an oven down there. It's got a sink. What does the sink say? What sound does it make? What does it do? Does water come out? A microwave. Good job.
Are you gonna make your own dinners now, buddy?
Yay. Fork.
Fork.
Spoon. Wow, do you want to see if we can? Let's see what it looks like.
Pull the paper off, bud. Pull the paper off.
It's an oven. You like it? Are you happy? Yay, Dylan! Look, there's a bowl and a plate, a spoon, fork, and a knife. That's for Dylan. Yeah. Well, very nice, buddy. Can you thank Gigi and Grandpa for us? Say thank you. Good job, buddy.
Mama.
What?
Mama. Mama.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Look over there and say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say love you.
Are you?
Bye-bye.
We'll open it. Okay.